Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another episode where I go through all of the things that I've found at my local car boot sale, or if you're an American, a garage sale or a trunk sale. So let's take a look at what I found this week. Okay, so I've been back to the car boot sale twice. The weekend just gone, I went the Saturday and the Sunday, and then I went the week before as well. So again, I found quite a few tools. So now I'm starting to think it kind of needs to rain here in England to prevent the car boot sales, because if I keep going to them, I think I'm going to run out of space in my shed. But anyway, I've picked up loads of what I would say are bargains, so let me show you what I got. I'll start off with the two hand planes. So I picked up two hand planes. These were in a job lot of things, and the man wanted to sell them all together, but I said I'll give you £10 for the two hand planes, and he agreed. So I got this one. It's a Stanley Bailey number 4. It's in rough shape, but there's no cracks or damage to the sole, and the blade looks okay too, the iron. So I think this should clean up nicely. So let's say that was £5 because I got the 2 for 10. So a nice old Stanley Bailey number 4. If you've got any idea how old this is, please let me know. I'm guessing 50s, but I don't know for sure. And the other hand plane I got is an Acorn number 4. I think it's a number 4. Doesn't say. It looks like it. Acorn number 4, and that's in okay condition. I think that'll clean up nicely. So £5 each. I was pleased with that. Moving on. So a lot of the stuff I got actually is new as well, but I got good deals on it. I'll go through all the used things first. So I got this nice old square, and it says on the label Quality Richmond. I've never heard of that brand, but I thought it looked nice. I think that's a beach handle, and doesn't look like it's had much use either. That'll clean up nice. It says on the back Carpenter's Square, and there's a barcode, so it's not that old because the label is still on it there, but I think that's a nice item, and that was 50p. So 50p, super cheap. Next item, these two were together. Luckily this week I can remember the prices, and a lot of them have got prices on them. So I paid £2 for these, the two together. So I've got a Stanley 66261, nice little screwdriver there, and then I've got this CK screwdriver. I like CK screwdrivers. I picked one up recently from a car boot sale. Really nice quality. This one says on it CK Recess 3. I don't know much about that, but a nice chunky screwdriver with a nice fat end on it, in decent condition. So that's those. Chisels this week, I did get a few more. I've got 3. These were 50p each, so I don't know what that is. It's not the best chisel. Probably should have left that one, but I couldn't resist. There's one here, an Irwin. Is this an Irwin? Yeah. Yeah, an Irwin chisel with a steel metal end cap on it. A bit beaten up, but it should clean up nice. Again, 50p. And another Irwin chisel here, 50p. Then I picked up this big old Stanley screwdriver for 50p. It's a 4PT5334 posi drive. Nice big Stanley screwdriver. It's rusty, but the end looks fine, and I can clean this up. It's got a nice chunky end on it. Always useful to have a nice big screwdriver so you can get plenty of torque. That's that. Is that it for the used stuff? Yeah, so everything else is kind of new that I bought. So starting off with this Forstner bit. I bought a nice new Forstner bit. It looks quite a good quality one for £1, brand new. I bought this Draper 6mm auger bit, still in the packet, but it's quite old as you can see. That was 50p. Thought I'll have that for 50p. I got this ruler, a nice little Nielsen brand new ruler, 50p. I also got a longer ruler, 12-inch one, new, for £1. That's got a conversion table on the back of it, and it's got imperial and metric at the front, nice and useful. And I got this square. It's a blue spot 150mm or 6-inch aluminium square in the packet for £1.50. Super bargain. I also got this Amtech 16-ounce rubber mallet for £2 with a fiberglass shaft, brand new. £2, couldn't resist. I got this brand new 16-ounce blue spot fiberglass claw hammer, £3.50, brand new. Nice useful hammer, £3.50. Then I got these Globemaster Classic Range hacksaw blades, 70p for a pack of 4. Super cheap. I remember paying £5 for a pack of 2 from Wilkinson's in the UK, so for 70p I got a pack of 4 here. I'm pleased with those. I got some packs of jigsaw blades too, £1 a pack. I picked up the metal cutting blades and the wood cutting blades. These are blue spot again, but £1 a pack, super cheap. I got 12-piece glue sticks, 11x100mm, £1. Marksman glue sticks. And I got this Nielsen CT3069 hot glue gun, a 40 volts, like a full-sized glue gun, brand new in the packet for £2.50. £2.50 for that. I've already got a glue gun, but I haven't got a 40 watt one. So a 40 watt full-size glue gun, £2.50. And then I picked up some staples as well. I've got plenty of staples already, but these are so cheap I thought why not. There's 1,000 there, £1. 2,000 brads, 16mm brads for £1. And 2,000 10mm brads, £1. It's annoying because I recently bought a pack of these from eBay for something like £3.50, £4, I can't remember, but these are £1, so I should have waited. And that is about it for the boot sale pickups. I also picked up a few more interesting things recently, which I'm going to show you now. So recently I was checking on eBay. I always check newly listed stuff for chisels and hand planes, and I've been looking for a set of these chisels for probably 18 months now, but they're very hard to find, and when you do find them, people seem to want a lot for them. These are the Work Zone chisels, which are in a Paul Sellers video, and he shows how to sharpen these and get these ready, and he advises that these are decent chisels for the money, and the video is about 10 years old. I'll link the video down in the description box if you're interested, but he used these in his classes, I think, to teach woodwork, and he recommends them. These are from Aldi. I think they were originally about £8, probably 10 or so years ago. They're very hard to find now, the Aldi Work Zone 4-piece set. These are the ones with the ash handles. I picked these up for £12.95 free postage, and I had to look twice when I saw the listing. I don't think the guy knew what he had. A brand new set of old stock, the Paul Sellers Aldi Chisels. I've wanted a set of these for a while. I like the ash handles, and I've already opened the box and had a look at them. They're unused, so I might do a review about these. I'm not sure. If you'd like to see a review on these, please let me know. And please let me know if you've got a set of these and what you think of them. And finally, this was the previous week's car boot sale. I picked up this number 6 record machinist's metalworking vise. I don't need one of these, but I wanted to get it to restore, maybe for a video and then sell on. He wanted £30. I offered £25 for this, so I got a record number 6 for 25 quid. And I haven't brought it in the shed yet because it's pretty heavy. It weighs around 40 kilos or so. So for now I'm going to leave it here. Okay, so that is about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.